So I'm making the production grade AI native SaaS platform known as Sphereos for the founders to use this OS as an AI OS. Means this is not a generic CRM and not a simple dashboard. It is an AI operating system actually. So I'm making this with the help of Zipper AI, which is a web app generating tool, and I'm helping the helping writing prompt from the perplexity comment, and I'm just copying this here, and I'm going to the Zipper dashboard here, and I'm going to paste it here, and this is I pasted. So actually the Zipper has given me 20 credits for this was something a procedure, and this started working, not started working at what happened. Okay, it is going to prompt is too long, maximum 200 characters. Okay, so here is 2000 characters are allowed, so I am giving again prompt to give 2000 words prompt for zipper, as there is limit. So the perplexity is giving me another prompt for 2000 words exactly, words, cause there are not allowed characters limited. Please sort on your prompt with clear multiple message for better result. Okay, okay. I think it was words or characters. Oh, sorry, there are maximum 2000 characters allowed only. I think 2000 words are limit. Again, changing the prompt again. Oh no, it is generating again. Right, 2000 character, strong prompt for zipper to make AIOS. Named it Sphereos. Okay, so now it is generating character. 2000 character it is generated prompt for. So I'm copying this and pasting this prompt in zipper. So I pasted it. It is, oh no, it is 3884. This is 3384 cats. Gift for 2000. Okay, so now it has given me Exactly 2000 words. So this is okay. Day one started. Keep building. Creating project, and it is creating the web app. Day one started. Keep building. Generation code. Okay. Okay. So here is the prompt like build Sphereos, an AI native OS with 3D sphere workspace, central core sphere, orbit modular space app build AI. Develop 3D spherical workspace build device LR. Okay. AI generating code. So this is how it is doing the work. And Zipper is really great app for making webs and apps. AI generating code. So till then it is doing this work. I'm going to make a proper YouTube thumbnail for this actually, because I will post, you are watching this video on YouTube and I'm going to make the prompt with the video. So meanwhile it is doing the work. I'm going to make an thumbnail. So I'm going to Gemini, Google Gemini, and this is Google Gemini, and I will take the help from here. So write prompt for Gemini to make you the thumbnail on the above topic. Okay, so where it is? Zipper, where is my zipper? It is creating a OS core engine. Good. Active state Howard connection thread txt. And what is this about? Affiliate program. Oh, Zipper. Okay. So it has given me the prompt. Gemini का prompt, and I'm going to Google Gemini. Google Gemini. I will. Oh, I need Google Gemini, not this. I want this Gemini. I have pasted code for create content, create image, and I'm adding a picture for the thumbnail, and there is a picture of mine. Okay, so I've given the Gemini my full prompt. Gemini color palette. Creating my image. Oh, creating my image for the thumbnail. Till then I'm going to here and what it is doing. Continue building, continue building, continue building. WhatsApp message. AI generating code reading 5 edits night. Okay. I will build Sphereos thin 3D workspace and core. Continue building, Baba. What happened? Continue building. You need a paid plan. Your currently have no credit. Arre. What happened? Where are my one left? Win free credits. Tax per now. Share on LinkedIn. So what it is doing? Mm, no. I have before the making this app. I I was having a proper set of 20 credits, but it is telling that you have no credit left now. This is not good. Yeah, no credit. Super cloud daily credit. Oh no, this is not good. I will not complete this. I'm not able to complete this. Sphereos. Okay. Okay, so this is not done. Not done actually.